Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to check when your Facebook account was created. So if you want to know how long have you been a part of Facebook or when you created your account, so I'll show you how you can find this info. So for that, first you have to simply open up your Facebook account by clicking onto its icon. And once the app gets open, you have to click onto the three lines which is on the top right. Once you click onto it, then you have to click on settings and privacy, then click on settings. After that, you have to click on account center and then click on your information and permissions. Then you have to click on access your information. Then it will just take a while to load. You have to scroll down a bit and click on personal information. Once you tap onto this person information, you will see the first option, your account creation date, and under it you will see when you created your account. So that's it. That's how you can find when you created your Facebook account. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.